So guys, I found a way to get free Robux, not lying. So you want to stay tuned for this. So there's a game called, and sorry for not uploading for 2 weeks. My dad deleted my screen recorder, so I had to download it again. But guys, you need to play this game. I'll be back. I'm going to leave the game in the description. So yeah. So the game I'm talking about is called, let me show you. It's called Please Donate, where you can actually get Robux. So I got donated like 11 Robux. So in a few days I'm gonna get that 11 Robux. As you can see, I have 34 Robux right now. So, yeah. But if you play this game, okay. But you need to have a Game Pass or a t-shirt or shirt, anything. You need to have clothing or a Game Pass to get Robux. So, I made this like t-shirt a few days ago, but I have a necklace. It's covering it, but the design is cool. It has like this like blue stuff and it splits, and then that it's called the Roblox Plus t-shirt. The reindeer plus, I think. I can show you. Okay, it's here. And come on, load. Yeah. Wow, someone made 9k Robux. Anyways, um if you go to my avatar, then you can find it and you can buy it. It's only 5 Robux, so buy it today. So I so this is the game. Um so you just basically get a stand and write whatever you want, like anything is appreciated, like look. This is my stand. Basic stand. Anything is appreciated with my name. And I made 12 Robux, but one is gone, so I have $11 in the game and 11 Robux. So this game is real, guys. I got 2 Robux, I think, and I had 35 and I got 37, I think. But since I have 34, I'm gonna get 45. So this game is so cool. People, like 15 people play this game, and I don't know the game count, but they donate you if they want. Like, I can donate this guy over here. He's AFK. You can buy it. I'll buy it for the video, I guess. Come on. I'll buy it for the video. So and now you have a bacon t-shirt. I love bacon. Bacons are so cool. There you go, bacon. You just got 2 more Robux. So that's how the game works. See? Now I have $18, and I think I'm gonna get 18 Robux. I don't know how that works, but yeah. That's that's it's not fake, guys. I can make another video. I can make another video in a few days showing that it's real. This game is sick. And yeah, I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.